What is up? Again? That's better. What is up, guys? Torvir324 here, back again with another unboxing from BBTS, Big Bad Toy Store. And yeah, we'll just get on with the unboxing. So I got I got this guy at, like I said, BBTS. It cost $139. I got UPS shipping with it. And let's see what it is. Thank you for your order. Alright, I got a BBTS card right there. Alright. Nice packaging. Alright. Here we go. Would you look at that? Alright, so we'll put this right here. Alright. Alright, so let's get a closer look. Alright, so that is it. That is my close-up look of all these 6 figures. Hope you guys like it. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on these guys soon. Hopefully I'll be starting today. So yeah, that is it, guys. Torvir signing out. Peace.